the market gets wild, only one man rides it, the trading cowboy.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar like an open road, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, I chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin.
What is up, guys? Trading Cowboy in the house. How's everybody doing today? Everybody doing all right? Come on. Anybody here waiting on me? Had to unload a little bit of stuff, so had a little delay right there. So everybody pushing down to the bottom now? Are y'all trying to catch this knife? What are y'all trying to do, guys? What are you trying to do? 24.830 is our new low. 31. What a crazy move, guys. Just keeps pushing down. Just watching Trade of 8 right here. Just watching what it does right here on this 5 minute.
Ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, I chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch.
Crazy, guys, crazy. Oh, there's the pump I was trying to look for. Kept trying to think about grabbing it, but oh, right back down right off the 9, guys. Wow. Push down to the 820s now. Still pushing down. Crazy, guys. Look at that. Just keeps pushing, keeps pushing. I hope y'all are getting to ride this to the bottom. I'm not in anything, but I wish I was. Can't really trust anything, can we, guys? Oh, there's a good push. Anybody follow that one there? Dang it. We gonna reject off these 820s or? Nope. Crazy Outlaws, just not really doing nothing. I tried to catch a couple off the bottom there. Just rejecting right off the 9. Right back down. Jeez, oh Pete. Leave this hourly candle just to really push right here. Just don't want to do it. Need a massive 50-second push right here. Come on. Yeah, nothing pushing. Come on. Come on, NQ, turn around. Come on, Chad. We got to push. Blow on those candles, guys. Blow on those candles. Greg Tarshes. Good to see you, buddy. We're getting eaten up alive right here, Greg. We're getting eaten up alive, buddy. And we're eating lunch, so. Just here for a quick in and out. Good to see you, buddy. Yeah, we're just sitting here riding this right here. One of my funded accounts, 2 contracts deep, but it just keeps stopping it out. Up 700 right now. I'm trying to get that 100-point trade, you know? But see, it just comes right back down. I don't know. I mean, geez, Trading View. Why isn't it turning around yet? I mean, I know we got that 822 right there, guys, but we should be pushing like crazy. We've made the curve. Let's go back up to like 24,900 for me. Just won't do it though. I mean, just keep stopping them out. Maybe we're not done. I don't know. Just keep stopping it out though. Stops it, pumps right back up. The 1 hour showing support right there at 807s. Give me a little push down a little bit. I like the no wick at the 1245. Yeah, you and me both. We just can't get any traction going, guys. No traction going. That's my heart rate right now because we're in long 2 contracts. And I'm eating lunch too, so it's always a little bit higher when you're eating. But all right, back to break even on these 2 contracts. These funded account guys, so he's gonna push right back down. Take me right back off. Junk, guys, junk. See, then push right back up. You would think that that bounce off that 822 would be money balls, but guess I should have had my stop rod and left it underneath there, but there's the freaking push up. Not in a trade. Heck of a trade right to that, right, Greg? Perfect. Almost cleaned up that wick right there. Yeah, love me a no wick. I don't know if I ever should have showed you that. It has proven to be dangerous a couple times for us. And see how that next candle chat really went and cleaned up that wick. All right, our 9 and 21 starting to cross back over. On the 5, it's coming up to the 9, so don't just jump into anything yet right now, guys. Oh, I can't believe it wicked me out at 822. Ran up 50 points. We're back below the 9 right there on the 5. The ES has a pivot point at 801, about $2 above us. It kind of rejected a little bit early of it, so it's going to be a little hard point to kind of push back through right here, guys. That's why we're just getting that pull back. Plus, we ran up about 90 points, so. We're trying to push chat. Yeah, maybe a little. Gonna have to get a bigger pullback right here now. I like that. Maybe we can close up here. That 5 really pushed for us. Right back down, chat. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. There's the 9. Let's see what. Trying to push it right down though. No wick on the 1248. I know it, Greg. I know it. Come on, let's go back to the top now. Come on. Let's go, chat. Get a good push, guys. God, right back down. We need a push, chat. We need a good push. It wicked one out right there. Still got one left. Trying to give it enough room. I mean, guys, it looks beautiful on the 5 minute. Really getting that nice push up. Hey guys, there's 30 points right there just called out. Trailing it, guaranteed 20. Guaranteed 25. Moving it up to the 80s. It's guaranteed 30 points, guys. Alright, runner hit right there. Made about 700 on that trade. This 5 minutes fixing to close right here, so we really got that good 50-second push. Let's see what the reaction is on this next 5 minute candle. See if this 70 area can kind of hold. Kind of making a little bull flag maybe, hopefully. We're pushing right back up. Nice push. Not in anything right here, but wish I was. Just barely got wicked out a second ago for about $600 on my last contract. That 15 do. I'm not crazy about that 15. It kind of pushed up. Now it's coming back down. Maybe we have to come back down to the 50s. Let's see how low we need to go. I'm not convinced that 850, 860 area is kind of the bottom. I want to see a wick a little bit lower if I try to grab along again. All right, see if that 21 holds right there, guys. I mean, the 5, there's the 15. It kind of pushed down to kind of where I said we might could do kind of the 60s, the 50 area. We're looking pretty wicky now, like we have a little more downside coming in. Okay, there's kind of the wick through I was looking at. Let's see how it reacts. Kind of wanted it to pop right back above that 45 area. There's our 20 area again. Making a nice little bear flag back to the downside overall, right, guys? All right, let's see if that was a big enough retracement to get some more downside here. Maybe. Getting that little bounce, guys. Not anything just spectacular. There's a nice little move. That puts you up about 30 points from that bottom at 805. Just went with one there. It's up 760 right here. We're just trailing it about 5 points behind. It's up 800. Almost got 50 points. Well, we hit 50 points. I didn't take it off at 50. Guaranteed 40. Move it down a little bit just in case. Alright, now that's just pushing. I'm going to... Oh, we just right out. Alright, we got 40 points on that one, guys. And as Greg would say, there's no wick on the bottom of the 2 minute now. If we're trying to find something with no wick. There's the 5. See how we really found support at that 805, but there's no wicks there. There's our 15, so it's trying to push back up above these 845s. Five minutes fixing to close. Didn't really get a push up, guys, so take that for what it's worth. And there she goes again. So another lower high, right, guys? I mean, unless this is going to be a good inversion. It's got to push right now, though. I mean, we really got to get some of these bears out, get these bulls awake. Yeah, still pushing straight back down. Kind of scary to try to pull the trigger right here, guys. If it wants to wick through that low again. Yeah, see there, now it's not holding it. There's the push. Can we get a little more drop? Just push right back up, huh? Beautiful bear flag played out. Kind of tricked us a couple times, but let's see if that's going to hold now. See if it's going to pop right back up to these 800s or... This would be a little bit better recovery right here to really trap some of those bears. So let's see how it plays out. I'm going to grab 2 around the 90s, and I'm going to put my stop right at the low.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar like an open road, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing. And Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade.
Still looking pretty weak, guys. I don't think this is the bottom right here, so take that with a grain of salt. I mean, the 15 just looks gnarly, right? Or the 5. There's the 15. It don't look any better. There's a little pop. Let's see if it'll keep going now. I'm going to go ahead and move these back up to the bottom there, so technically break even, but look at that, right back down. Jeez, oh Pete. I mean, if we go back to the 5 and look at it, yeah, right back up. See that? I mean, we made that wick and pushed back down. That's the only reason I moved my stop, but just right back up. Oh, come on, guys. Day trading at its finest, trying to catch the bottom here. Alright, what was that? A 1 minute? What does our 2 minute look like? Same thing. I mean, our 5 minute tells us we still probably need to wick down to the 780 area. So let's see if it does that. I mean, I don't know what we have on a 1 hour. What do we have, guys? I mean, it looks like 760. 750 is a little better. It looks like we got 710 though, honestly. On a 1 hour. Let's see if this bottom holds again right here. I mean, just really nothing to do, guys. I mean, it's retracing half the candle just like we want it, and then it pops right back down. It goes lower. I mean, at the end of the day, if you weren't short, if you weren't short up here at the 880s, you don't need to be trying to catch this thing. Here she goes. Now she's kind of breaking our little trend line. On a 1 minute anyway. Just kind of what we're seeing right here, guys, is that little trend on the tops. Rejecting off the 822, which is just a line we drew from a week or so ago that really was support and rejection. Just needed to clear these EMAs right here, stay above our trend line, clear the EMAs. We need the 921 EMA to cross back over. Or it needs to go up a little bit where we can get in a short. Just Chop City now, fellas. Chop City. I lost another Eve out today. Yeah, me too, Isaiah. I passed two, but I lost one too. Midlife crisis, yeah. Uh-oh, I spent 109 I didn't have to spend. Yeah, Isaiah, you really got to be smart about that. You got to be patient too. I mean, especially if you're trying to YOLO like some of those guys. You kind of got to get warmed up, get your feet wet. Especially if you have end of day drawdown. Let's run these channels up so y'all give me a free. That's what I'm saying, Isaiah. I mean, you'll be one of the first, buddy. You won't be the first, but you're going to be one of the first. I promise. So tell all your friends. Tell them to get out here. Sign up for the Trading Cowboy. Problem was my discipline is my fault. Psychology, yeah, for sure. Happens to all of us, Isaiah, I promise. The strat was fine, but I wasn't following it. Yeah. You got to learn how to get out of those losers quick and ride the winners. So that's hard for all of us. See if these 20s hold. Got to get a big push up and out of here real fast, guys. All right, here we go. Now we got something working, chat. Just going to trail these a little bit. Don't want to give too much of it back. Let's see if this is going to be a good push or not, though. This one was kind of in the hole, so. Looks like it's going to rip us off right here. Alright, last runner hit. Now we're going to start over. It really respected that 15 minute, the 100% below the box. I mean, it just sat there and held it. Trying to have another little bull flag again right here, but I don't know if it'll do it or not. That may be the top. Kind of expecting us to see the 885s right here, maybe. I mean, if we can hold this right here. I mean, what does that look like, Isaiah, right there? Big old W, right? Boom. Boom. So now we should come back up to this kind of this body here. Probably a little too high. Probably more right here in the 900. So I think we'll just wick over this little previous high at 885. Getting a little rejection here, but what do we got? We got a minute and 10 seconds left on our 15. Let's go check that bad boy out. Five minute has no wick on the bottom of it. All right, here comes our 15. Let's see what it does right off the bat. In my mind, I kind of want a little push down to make a little wick. All right, let's see if it pops back above these 820s or... Here we go, chat. Up almost 1,000 on this one. Got a nice solid pop out of it. Like I said, this is one of the ones that's kind of in the hole right now, so we're just trying to dig it out. Little base hits. I've taken a couple little $200 losses on it, but look how nice that, I mean, it pushed straight down right off the bat. But our 15 pushed down right where we wanted it, that 20 area. Made a nice wick, pushing back up. I don't know why we can't go clear these 870s now, so. Oof, big drop there. What was that, chap? See how that market just rips you a new one today? I mean, Isaiah, a lot of that probably wasn't you, bud. I mean, we had that nice push up over 30 points. Nice little pullback here. Wasn't expecting that huge drop and then just boom, right back down. And then look at our 5 now, or our 15. What do you think, guys? Is it going to hold right here? It needs to kind of wick below it, doesn't it? That 810 area. A little bit lower wick, guys. Come on. 810s. Let's see if that cleaned that up enough. It didn't spend a lot of time down there, so. Back to our 795s. We go all the way back to our 780s, maybe. Sorry, guys, just a little boring right now. I mean, man, there's not really anything to do. If we take out this low, guys, it's c'est la vie for the bulls for a while, but tried to bounce right there, but nice push up and out of there. I don't know, guys. Was that the wick to get short right there? Got our 1 hour fixing to close. Here's our daily. $20, chat. 20 seconds. 1 hour fare out. See if our 805 will hold again. Nice little push right there off the 805, guys. See what happens right here at the 845. Get a little pullback maybe. I mean, look at that. Right up there, right back down. Pretty scary, guys. Pretty scary. All right, here's our 100% ORB box. Our 21's right above it at 856. $8.46 kind of makes sense, right? Because that's kind of our W pattern right here. If you follow it, boom, boom. Now we just need to see if we can get that push out. Got to make something happen, guys. Got to get something going here. Just this up and down chop right here is crazy. If we don't pop this pretty quick, we'll be back down to the bottom, I think. I don't know, Chad. I don't think this is a good area to get in, and I definitely don't think it's a good area to short it. What do you think, guys? We getting a little retrace right here to push back up, or I mean, our nine's starting to point down pretty hard. What are we thinking, chat? What are we thinking? There's our little push down, 21 hold. Here's a nice push up. And pull right back down. Ten seconds on this candle, guys. 5-minute candle. 15-minute too. Kind of getting it retrace over this little bull flag setup. Trying right there, chat. Stop below 825. Alright, gonna take one off at the 50s if it gives it to us. Oh, barely missed us. Barely missed us, chat. Alright, come on. Giddy up in queue. Alright, there's one off there. Got 3 left. Looking for another one at 855s. Take one off right there. Got 2 left. Alright, it took it off at the 855. Got 1 runner left. Gonna just let this thing kind of run and see what happens. Looks like it may pull right back down, but kind of just see if we can at least target these 870s. If it don't wick us out before then. Runners at 841.75. Already took the other ones off for about 800 bucks profit. $870s would be 30 points on this last one. Let's see if we can get to 75. See if we can wick through that 75. See if we can get 35 points out of it. Come on. We got it, guys. We got it. Good little trade. First trade. 1486 right there, guys. Hold on just a second, guys.
Cowboy stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard. Hear that bell ring? Bear flags, bull flags, our open eye brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land.
All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Deputy GM, what are you trading? What are you trading? There, does that help you? See it in the chart now, buddy? How about that? Does that help you any? Does this help you any? Deputy GM? Where'd you go, Deputy? Look at that pullback right there, guys. Look at that. Just couldn't get over that 860 area. Another day, another dollar. How are we doing, big baller? Oh, hey, Zero Dawn. We ain't doing bad. We ain't hurt. I'll tell you that. Just been really slow here. I mean, we got a good move right there, of course, but I was waiting for my little W to play out, but it didn't play out as nice as I wanted it to. Yeah, I think so. I think he said something and then left. I don't think he's still here. I mean, if he couldn't look at the chart and tell what we're trading, that tells me all I need to know. Dang, that sucks. I hope they were going to stick around. Yeah, I don't know. He don't have a YouTube channel, so that tells me even more than I need to know. Must have seen some light. Yeah. How's your trading been going? I know you banged a couple this morning. It was good. How was yours? Yeah, I did pretty good. I haven't traded my TPTs at all today. I kind of got a little sideways with one of my Tradeifys. Lost about 1,000 on it, but I made 22. What did I make on that one? I made 22.32 on one of my new Lucids I just got, so I've kind of scaled back now. Lost 1,000 on that one, so I went pretty tilt on the other one. Nice little bear flag playing out beautiful right there. I get Kivy getting the balls, getting stopped. Yeah, I did too a while ago, man. I was playing a funded on here, and I finally just had to switch because I'd get up 15, 20 points. I'd set it to break even, and it'd just come right down and smack it in seconds. So, super irritating, man. Got a good move a while ago, though. We took this, let me swap over there. I mean, not the greatest, I guess, but we took this kind of at the bottom. This little double bottom right here. Just went in with a casual 4 contracts. Got 1,500 bucks, one trade, 2 minutes, 3 minutes 46 seconds total, I guess. But I really wanted this little, it's kind of hard to see. Really wanted this little W to play out right here, and there's just that shoot to the top, but it just keeps making W's and M's and W's and M's. Nice job. Yeah, thanks. Zero Dawn, I just gave you some credentials whether you wanted it or not. Just casual, but sometimes when I get bored or a little sideways, or if it's just it was kind of chopping when I did that, then it just popped. So I just set all my stops or all my take profits at the top of each shoulder, and it just worked really good. Thanks, man. I love promotions. Yeah, you're second in charge now, buddy. And my wife's first in charge. So, uh, I was about to say, don't let your wife know about you giving promotions out. Yeah, yeah. I'll try to ask her later tonight. Best ask for forgiveness after the fact. Yeah, I may not tell her I did it yet, and then kind of work into it. But best move of the day was the short at 12:15 New York 25:020 MA cross to the downside. Yeah, and I wasn't right here watching it. I wasn't here watching it when I got back. I looked at it and I kept trying to FOMO, thinking, okay, this is the bottom. Okay, this is our pivot point. Okay, this is 50% above our box. And it just kept going down. 25:030. Yeah, I got you. I know exactly where you're at. Oh yeah, Zero Dawn. You look in the chat now, man. You got your name highlighted in blue. Got a little shield right beside your name. That's pretty fancy. Sheesh, boy. I'm learning all kinds of stuff, chat. So don't make fun of me. I was spared from getting with that move to the downside. Yeah. We're going to figure this YouTube thing out, guys, one way or the other. Getting kicked in the crotch with that move. Man, it's kind of just, I don't know, it's just not moving the way we want it to, is it? Oof, that was the candle, wasn't it? I took it from 25.30 to 20, then I got stopped. I mean, still phenomenal though, right? I mean, great job. I mean, it's really hard when you look at it like, I mean, what do you do with that right there? Only with TPTs though. Man, I just don't know. I mean, the 15's kind of getting back over my little top trend line a while ago. I mean, I know this would be changed now, but this is from a while ago. Now it's not over it. Yeah. Just can't trade this really, can you? Little bull flag trying to play, but then just right back down. I roller coaster, sure I know I look for large. Yeah, for sure. I just go in with bigger size, I guess. Like a dummy. Little pop there, not much. Gonna come right back down now after a wick through there. There's 20 points at least. Just gonna trail this. There we go. That transition killed me. I mean, man, that 15-minute just hit that 9 and just said, uh-uh. You just shut that kid out trade for constant. Yeah, I know it is. That's why I'm not even calling them out Zero Dawn. I mean, I'll put them on the screen when I enter, but I don't want anybody following those. I mean, it just kind of played out. It was kind of playing out like a little bull flag. The way I was seeing it, it was kind of coming down. It had this, and then that when I saw this kind of dip down and break that bottom, I just bought it. And that's why I'm not calling them out, chat. Y'all can watch the screen, but as wicky as this is getting, I mean, this isn't. This isn't the best trading. I'm not saying nothing that works, yeah. And that's why I try to stick it on the screen so y'all can see when it doesn't work too. On another word though, like earlier, it looks terrible on this screen here, but when I draw this little W with this little yellow line, is there a way to get it on top of the candles? Same thing when we draw when I draw like this straight line, like when I was doing the tops, is there a way to get it where it stays on top of the candles? I don't know if I want that, but I'd like to see it. Well, that was a nice little push. Another little bull flag playing out right there. But I don't know. I don't use trading views. You're smart, cause I spent so much on them this last year that strictly trade of 8 for me. Yeah, that's probably smart. I think I gave TradingView like $700 last year. when I was trying to trade on theirs instead of trade of 8, which would have been perfect, but it was just so delayed sometimes. Would be nice to see a break out of this consolidation box, yeah. I mean, that's a pretty good move right there. We're up about 80 points right now, 75 points off the bottom, but I mean, it's been such big swings, but we've made higher lows each time. Go, I'm on here. We'll probably do something during power hour. Yeah, I feel like we're setting up for a pretty good move here. I hadn't got any emails or anything zeroed on, but I had to go on to Apex and see if I could buy one of the new evals, but it still won't let me buy one. I thought maybe they turned it on and didn't tell me, but yeah, I think so. And I think I'm really going to focus here in a little bit on just getting I think getting all 15 of my ones I have now done. Slowly get a couple days traded in on them. And then I think I'm going to just start putting those straight on the stream. And just start trading those a little bit. It's kind of what I did at the beginning. I kind of got away from it. Man, nice little push down now. Wow. Potential trap. Trying to trap me, Zero Dawn. I wonder if we're going to pump to reclaim so levels. It was just a thought. It's kind of what I'm hoping right now, Zero Dawn. I mean, that big candle than that wick is what sold me on it. I took one off for almost 10 points. This one I'm just going to trail a little bit. It's already up 12 or so, so it was up more than that a second ago, but had 22 points for a second, but yeah, for sure, get up there. I can't resist those wicks. Sometimes they're wrong, but guys, there's 22 points right there. Don't, if anybody's following, don't be scared to take that for sure. Guaranteed 10. I'm going to move to the bottom of that wick now. Guaranteed 14. We're up 26, 27 points. It's kind of stalling out, so I'm going to start chasing a little tighter. Candle's fixing to close. There's 30 points. All right, out for 30 points roughly, guys. Maybe 28. No, I didn't even realize that's my little clock up there is hiding my... There. 12.94 on that one now, guys. Let's see what our little... where's it at? Not bad, guys. I mean, that's a second account right there. 6 trades up, 13.15, 100%. At one point, we were down 8.75. $8.75, that is. Still pumping. Zero Dawn will ride this thing up to 25,000 again, but on a 5 minute, I wonder if they want to end the day with a touch of the 5 EMA. So 5 EMA, we got it at 896, guys. Just the thought I'm not a trained professional. Actually, you are a trained professional. Making a little bull flag maybe. Oh yeah, look at that. Right after I called it. I'm just some dude on the internet. Yeah, me too. I'm just some guy on the YouTube that just barely learned how to turn it on, and that's a promise. We're right between the pivot points on the 5 minute. So right now is a good time to take your choice which way, huh, Zero Dawn? I finally got it on there after I zoomed out and zoomed back in. I think it may want one of them. All right, so yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead and call that out right now. I mean, we're going to go up or down right in here, right? I mean, we're consolidating. We're getting tight in this little channel. Our number one moderator, Zero Dawn, said we're either 951 or 685. Come on, chat. Just some dude. Remember? Yeah. They should be even more worried about me because I'm just some little guy that wears a cowboy hat in a little bitty town. There's a little push right there. See how it acts right there on that. Look at that 5 minute. Getting that 50-second push we always talk about, guys. Ooh, 24 nines right there. Wow. See, I told y'all, you got to listen to Zero Dawn. Yeah, look at that, guys. 50 EMA right to the money. Oh, as long as the road 242. I knew it. I knew it. That's why you said it in the chat so everybody would buy into it, right? Exactly. Trick the market makers. Look at that rejection. Yeah, for sure. My take profit was the EMA touch. Yeah, super smart. Man, I love that. That's the only reason I put that 50 EMA on there, because you use it. I love to see it work right here too. So gonna have to figure out something to take off eventually though, because I feel like I'm getting too chopped up now. If we get going, we may pump up not financial advice. Yeah, you know, that wick to the bottom really had me wanting to jump in. I jumped in and got another 200 bucks off of it, but when this wick back down, I got right back out on it. So may join back in again in a second, though. We'll see. Maybe like that right there, maybe. I'll take one off right there, let this other one ride a little bit. Look at that, guys. See if it takes me out. 905 is my TP, 910, 909. All right. Hey, got 1253 out of that candle, guys. I think that was, let's look at that trade performance on this account for today. 2 trades because I had 2 contracts. That was 1 trade, 1265. Not bad for a little country boy. Still pushing. We're looking at this is a not solid rejection right here for a minute, but come on, 951. We millionaires yet, fellas. We're close. We're close. I'm actually working on my second million today. I gave up on the first one. Bottom 50-minute warp. It is fighting with. Blow on the candles. Pump it. $867 was my entry. Wow, nice. So about where I was in a little bit below that, but I took profit way early. See if that 50 EMA kind of catches us right here or not, chat. Kind of what we're watching. Consolidating a little bit, guys. We're consolidating. Here we go. Come on, get that push. Nice. Let's go, guys. Come on. I got 948 as a pivot point on trade of 8. Zero Dawn's got 951. Or trading view, I'm sorry. I got a trading view 948. $200 on 15, sitting on the pivot point on the 5 minute. The 200 is at 947, maybe reject there. Yeah, I agree with both of y'all. I mean, I got 948 as a pivot point on trading view. And I kind of think that's what Zero Dawn, the 200 EMA on a 15 is sitting at the pivot point. Quit playing with my emotions. Here it comes. Here it comes, guys. I mean, the way it's kind of building right here, I wonder if it's just going to shoot plumb through that sucker. $967.75. We usually don't like to be below them, LOL. Yeah. Yeah, we can't let them beat us, right? $951. Zero Dawn called it out. like 20 minutes ago, guys. Shoot, maybe 30 minutes ago. We're going to the 50 EMA on the 15. 982. Yeah, maybe get a little retest of that box, maybe. Not financial advice. Okay. We won't call it financial advice. We'll just say don't fade Zero Dawn. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Zero Dawn for the win. I have a higher time frame bull flag on the 5 and 15. If it breaks, we're going to pump. You hear that, guys? Everybody hear that? Unless VWAP string goes. Yeah, the only thing I'd be careful of, guys, is the VWAP up here, 25008. We got a lot of resistance right here at the 987s pre-market too, so. Still on my long formation. Yeah, guys. I mean, if you're in 150 points ago when Zero Dawn called this out, I mean, it wouldn't be hard just to sit here for just a second and see if we can't get that pop. Every time we've touched the VWAP today, it has rejected. Yeah. Got stopped at 970. Nice. Still got that 100 points, right? Had a baby. I mean, come on, guys. Does any other chat have somebody in the chat that calls out 100-point plays over and over again? Nice bounce off that pivot. Is it rallying the troops for the long? Look back at 1125. Hard rejection this area. Yeah, for sure. That's kind of when everybody wanted to go short right there at 1125. Zero Dawn's 1225 called out earlier that he took that nice trade. He was in a little bit earlier than that, but yeah. The only thing we have going for us now is we got the 9 over the 21. The 21's getting close to crossing over the 50. The double bottom, I see what you're seeing. I like the spacing on the 5. Yeah, for sure. NQ is dirty. Yeah, I kind of had a little pop. Kind of came down here, dropped. Thought that was going to be the inversion. Pulled back again. I took the second pull back. I got in at 962 on this previous candle. I jumped back in at the pivot point. Nice. If we close in the box at maybe 25 point plus for a VWAP run. Yeah. Get out of the way, VWAP. Yeah. Fist fighting the 200 on the 5. That box is a booger, guys. Knocked out the 200 EMA. Judo kicked the VWAP in the face, yeah. Sorry if it's dry. No, it's good. It's good. It's good, Zero Dawn. Wait till we get H-Town Trader on here. He'll bring some humor just yelling at the market. huge pump down. Yeah, I got back up while we were had our backs to it, huh? Yeah, I went ahead and stopped out for about 20 points a while ago, just seeing if how big of this retrace we're gonna get. Still got about 8.5 minutes before MOC. Got stopped again. I'm kind of liking it right here, but I don't know if that's too crazy or not. Wonder if MOC will be triggered. I'm kind of wondering the same thing. Toss breakdown and flip up, uppercut to the bears. Yeah, I kind of like this wick right here through this bottom for sure. Look at that, guys. Nice push up. These wicks keep getting a little lower, a little lower. Nice push. Ten seconds, guys. Whoa, look at that, chat. Look at that, chat. Nice push right up to the 200 on the 5 minute, 25:024:30. That's what Zero Dawn wanted. Bears got smoke. Yeah, that was a nice squeeze right there. Got back into the pivot point on the 5. Nice. I was printing off invoices, so I was just watching. I was watching Zero Dawn and H Town go to town right here, guys. Took it at 25:020. Nice. See if we hold here. See if we keep dumping. Kind of like this. Kind of like this, chat. Here we go. Come on, push, baby. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Come on, chat. I'm going to take 2 off right there. Now push for us. Push, baby, push. Come on, chat. Let's go. Runners at 25. All right, I'm out right there. I think we got a lot of room right here, chat. I really do. We're up over the 200 now. Don't have anything back to the left, really. I mean, 76s, if it really wanted to push. No wick at the bottom of this one, though, so that may be a little bit of a problem. When I saw you jumped in, I got in at 2502, yeah. Man, those wicks can get me sometimes, Zero Dawn, but I got 963 across 3 accounts that time, though. Or 2 accounts, I'm sorry. 2 accounts. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, chat. I mean, that 46, 44, 50, 46 area is going to be a little bit of a booger, but this 40 area was kind of our rejection early this morning. It's kind of support, so now it's rejection. All right, get a little pump right here for him. Get a little pump right here for him, chat. Oh, come on. You can do better than that, NQ. There it is. There it is. Zero Dawn serving a full tour in the NASDAQ today, guys. Come on. I caught the 200 points trading with you afternoon. Sweet. Sweet. Zero Dawn for the win, guys. That's why he's our head chief officer here. Nice job. I had free good customers, so missed it all. Well, customer always knows what's right, right? TPT's looking sick. That's awesome, Zero Dawn. Heck yeah. There's a little momentum coming in. Little volatility, I mean. I hope they never ban me. Well, I think that'll just take you live eventually, won't they, Zero Dawn? You keep doing good. That wants you to make money for them too. Oh, you are live. Well, that's why, Zero Dawn. They'll never ban you as long as you're making them money, buddy. Just need to be careful with O Apex. Don't get them mad at you. I would never trade like this with Apex. I mean, I guess with Apex now, what's the exact rule? I mean, I watched a couple guys go over it, but they have a certain amount you can make if you take 6 payouts. But is that like total, or is that like if you take 6 on, 20 accounts and you take 6 payouts on each? So there's Miguel. Iron Gaming. Hi. What's up, Miguel? My outlaw Miguel. Great day, Miguel. I don't know if you were listening in the background, but Zero Dawn nailed us today for like 200 points just while we were on stream. So he called out some great ones for us today. Iron Gaming's from India. It's 2:30 a.m. there. Well, thanks for joining in. It's time to go to bed, though. We're just kind of ending the stream now, just kind of chit-chatting a little bit. But while you're here, hit that subscribe button for us. Hit that thumbs up. You can come join us earlier next time. Bro, you know about MSNR. No, we trade futures right here, Iron Gaming, so mainly foremost NQ. I mean, we talk about some of the stuff. We talk about NVIDIA, stuff like that, but we're strictly futures here. And XAU. I mean, we'll teach you what we know about all the market structure and futures and stuff. We'll show you our pivot points. We'll show you our EMAs. If you learn that, that's going to carry over to just about every chart you got. It's around average 130 risk reward. Yeah, nice end of the day train today. Yeah, for sure, man. It's need not to do anything, but it just sits there, keep tempting me, saying, "Okay, is this going to be a little bull flag right here?" But I mean, yeah, Iron Gaming. I mean, stick around. We'll show you kind of what we know about some of the market structure and stuff. That's what we're here for. We're all here to learn, grow together. We got some really good guys in the chat. Zero Dawn, we got to get you in our Discord somehow. I know you don't do a lot of social media stuff, and that's not really social media necessarily. A lot of that's private, but we can get you in there if you want in. I'll send you a link to it somehow. Especially so you can look around in there and tell you what we need to add and take off of it. So we can kind of start a little group of trading there where we can, you know, a lot of the newer guys that are starting can send us their evals when they pass it and stuff like that. We got some really cool challenge coins I'm working on. I should be getting in the next week or so for those people that pass evals and prove it and are, you know, subscribed and members of our Discord. So okay, awesome. Yeah, hit me up, or you got my email too if you need me to send it through email or something. But we got a little cemetery going too that we're going to post in there for all the lost and forgotten accounts. MSNR means Malaysian Support and Resistance. You can search in YouTube, and I have multiple PDFs if you want it. Well, I'm going to screenshot that right there. Iron Gaming. I'll look at that. I thought you meant market structure and rejection or reversal. So but yeah, I mean, hit that subscribe button. We're working on it's a pinpoint entry. Okay. I mean, come back tomorrow. I mean, we got a little Discord we're setting up right now so we can get in there so you can actually, like, small stop loss, big risk reward. Yeah. That's what Zero Dawn mainly focuses on too. I mean, he gets in at the right moment. He rides that thing up for 300 to 400 points, you know, for you know, $6,000 to $8,000, guys. So we start my stream here at roughly between 11 and 12 o'clock my time. We start our sink or swim in the morning, 10 minutes before the U.S. market opens. We end it around 11, and then about 30 minutes after that, I start our stream, and we go till we get tired. So usually about 3 o'clock. Usually market close for me. So, I mean, yeah, jump on. As soon as we get our Discord up and going, we get all of our main moderators and stuff in there. We'll start adding some people. You know, we'll have the first so many free anyway. So we're going to have a super cool little layout for all that. So, but once we get that going, Iron Gaming, then you'll be able to upload, any kind of pictures or stuff. We'll have separate files for stuff like that, where if you want to put some PDFs or something in there, you can. So. And we got some other gamers that hide out in the chat that I know about that are long distance friends. So, like today, I took around 1,000 pips and fib circle plus a shape plus storyline. Yeah. So I mean, that's something if you really want to share with us. I mean, everybody's here to learn and stuff. So that's what this whole channel's about. So. All right, guys, let's get out of here so we can go enjoy our day. What's left of it. Get some nice sweet tea or something. It's a little hot in my office right now, so haven't turned the air conditioners on yet. So I'm gonna go out and enjoy some of the sunlight. Been in the dark for a while right here, so I mean, just remember, guys, whatever we do, we got one God above us that's always faithful to us. Always do what's right. Always keep your head up. Help others. You know, always lend a helping hand out. Pick those people up and carry them with you. Always know that, that one day we're going to have to look at the throne of God, and we want to be able to walk up there with grace and confidence, right? So let's get out of here. Great day, Zero Dawn. Thank you. H-Town Trader, Iron Gaming. Good to meet you, buddy. Remember, the Trading Cowboy loves you, and there's nothing you can do about it. We'll see y'all tomorrow, guys. Giddy up. Yeah, peace out to God's country. Thanks for everybody that's serving it. Thanks, Zero Dawn.
When the market gets wild, only one man rides it, the Trading Cowboy.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Car like an open road, get it up, let's go. I'm the Trading Cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, a rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the Trading Cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin.
When the market gets wild, only one man rides it, the Trading Cowboy.